first impression that comes to our mind about any college: tall buildings, big classrooms, large lobby areas, thick books, IT labs, assignments, class tests, and projects. Nothing besides that. Every hour, minute, second spent here help us carving and shaping our persona, cultivating innovative mindsets for the challenging world. Learning is a lifelong process. Sharing knowledge, inculcating values of life, spark the innovative horizons of mind. Fun and frolic is the nature of every nook and corner here. A daily dose of thrill.
हो मूरे बन के गुलाबी पग खड़दा नी मुंडा जट्टा दा ए गब्बरू. I don't know how well I sing, but I want each one of participant to set the stage on fire, or I must say set the screen on fire. On this note, I, Jaskirat Singh, welcome you all to this mega virtual media event, Ritika 2020's singing competition. It has been organized by Delhi Metropolitan Education, which is an A-grade premier education institute affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. The institute offers BBA, BA LLB, BBA LLB, and BJMC programs. Ritika 2020 is being held by DME Media School. One of the top media schools in the country, DME Media School has organized various successful events like ICANN, SIFI, in collaborations with Deakin University, Melbourne, Australia. Additionally, BG Varghese series is organized every month with eminent media personalities and experts delivering special lectures on issues related to media and other subjects of contemporary values. Ritika 2020, the media festival of DME Media School, is a 3-day mega event provides platform for inter-school collaborations and competitions for college students. This event is being conducted to further the cause of media, and our hashtag for the event is #MediaForCause. Our partner for the event is Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, Dwarka. Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management was established in 1995 to perpetuate the memory of India's second Prime Minister, Bharat Ratna Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. Since then, it has emerged as one of the prominent business schools in the country. It is a leading institution with the distinct philosophy that inculcates deep-rooted Indian value system among young budding minds. I am delighted to see the huge number of participation of students from various colleges of IP University, Delhi University, and many other institutions. Now, before we proceed further, let's have a look on highlights of Ritika 2019 and preparation of Ritika 2020.
Ritika 2019.
journalist, a leader and an independence movement activist. He was an important figure in the non-cooperation movement and freedom movement of India. He was the founder editor of the Hindi newspaper Pratap. He was a fighter against oppression and injustice, whether practiced by bureaucrats, zamindars, capitalists or higher caste. He fought all his life against oppression, against inhumanity. He is called Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. Remembering him, DME presents Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi Award for Value-Based Journalism.
I am feeling honored to welcome our judge of the event, Mr. Pratik Walia sir. Pratik sir is a singer, composer and a lyricist currently working as a freelancer. He has learned Hindustani semi-classical music from Dr. Har Krishna Goswami ji, who is also a faculty of music in Delhi University. He has done his formal training in performing arts from T-Series Stage Works Academy. He was officially launched by T-Series, which happens to be the most subscribed channel on YouTube. His song, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, acoustic version, has over 5 lakh views on YouTube and more than 2 crore streams on Gaana app. Let's listen to one of his melodious voice.
ज़मीं से आसमां तक हम ढूंढ आए जहां सारा बना पाया नहीं अब तक खुदा तुमसे कोई प्यारा ज़मीं से आसमां तक हम ढूंढ आए जहां सारा बना पाया नहीं अब तक खुदा तुम से कोई प्यारा बातों में तेरी है बदमाशियाँ सब बेवजह की है तारीफियाँ हुआ है आज पहली बार जो ऐसे मुस्कुराया हूँ तुम्हें देखा तो जाना है कि क्यों दुनिया में आया तू है जो रूबरू मेरे बड़ा महफूज रहता हूँ तेरे मिलने का शुक्राना खुदा से रोज करता हूँ तू है जो रूबरू मेरे बड़ा महफूज रहता हूँ तेरे मिलने का शुक्राना खुदा से रोज करता हूँ हमको पता है ये आवारियाँ आवारा दिल की है तारीफियां, ये दिल पागल बना बैठा, इसे अब तू ही समझा दे। दिखे तुझ में मेरी दुनिया तू बन जा रे। हूँ खुश किस्मत जो किस्मत से तुम्हें ऐसे मैं पाया हूँ। मैं तुमसे इश्क करने की इजाजत रब से लाया हूँ।
Wow.
हुआ है आज पहली
What a beautiful voice.
जो
What a beautiful voice, sir. Sir, I would request you to please enlighten us with your warm words. Unmute.
Hi Jaskirat, hi Sanchita ma'am, uh, hi all the participants, hi my college Delhi Metropolitan Education. I can't hear you Jaskirat. I am really honored, and I think probably every student looks up to this day where he comes back to his college, and coming as a judge, it actually means a lot to me. I don't know how good of a judge I am, but I really think that I have a good ear for music. So good luck to all the participants. And what I really feel is music is not about competing. We are not horses, but these activities are really important because they push you. They give you a lot of confidence. Also, it doesn't matter you win or lose from here. The journey is going to be always yours. So there's always room for improvement, and probably the winner, even he'll have to learn a lot. So I would like to thank all my former um, teachers, all my former college mates. Hi Jaskirat, good to see you here, and let's start with the competition.
All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now, let us start with the competition. So, the rules for the competition are: rule number 1, participants have to perform individually. Rule number 2, songs can be of participants' choice. Rule number 3, maximum time given to each participant is 1 minute and 30 seconds. So, I wish you all the very best, and let's have our first contestant, Rohit Kather.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
What an amazing performance, Rohit. Let's have our second contestant, Nikhil Varandani.
I had a dream, I got everything I wanted. When I wake
And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. You wouldn't wonder why you're here. They don't deserve you. And if I could have got you down, क्या मुझे प्यार है? And if time was coming for you, ऐसा कुमार है. ढूंढ रहा हूँ, gather, मैं तुझको ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Why this I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. Sure to give you all his offers when he had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause you wanted to do is dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man.
What an amazing performance. Next performance is of Chavi Jain.
जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना, वो दिन कभी न आए. मेरे दिल की दुआ है, कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना, वो दिन कभी न आए. तेरे संग जीना यहाँ, तेरे संग मर जाना. याद करेगी दुनिया अफसाना, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना. याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
Wow, such a beautiful voice, Chavi. So let's move on to our next performer, who is Vishal Sharma.
लखा तो जुदा मैं होया तेरी खातिर, तू ही मंजिल मैं तेरा मुसाफिर. रब नू भुला बैठा तेरे करके, मैं हो गया काफिर. तेरे लिए मैं जहाँ से टकराऊंगा, सब कुछ खो के तुझको ही पाऊंगा. दिल बढ़ के मैं दिल धड़काऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा. सौ तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगा, किते वादे आनू मेरा निभाऊंगा. तुझे हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा. ना 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 oh yeah yeah na 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 na
Beautifully sung, Vishal. So the next performer is Sunil Kumar.
तेरे बिन सानू सोहणिया कोई होर नयो लंघना जो देखे रूह नू सुकून ना चखे जो नखरा मेरा तेरे बिन सानू सोहणिया कोई होर नहीं ओ लभना जो देखे रूह नू सुकून ना चखे जो नखरा मेरा वे मैं सारे घूम के वेखिया अमरीका रूस मलेशिया ना किसे भी कोई फर्क सी हर किसे दी कोई शर्त सी कोई मंगदा मेरी सी समा कोई होंदा सूरत ते फिदा कोई मंगदा मेरी या वफा कोई मंगदा मेरी या बला तेरे बिन होर ना किसे
Amazing performance, amazing performance. Everyone is doing very well. So the next performance is of Goransh. All the very best.
चौक पुरावो माटी रंगावो आज मेरे पिया घरे आवेंगे आज मेरे पिया घरे आवेंगे खबर सुनाऊं जो खुशी रे बताऊं जो आज मेरे पिया घरे आवेंगे आज मेरे पिया घरे आवेंगे मेरी सखी मंगल गाओरी धरती अंबर सजाओरी उतरेगी आज मेरे पी की सवारी तेरी कोई काजल लाओरी मोहे काला टीका लगाओरी उनकी छब से दिखूं मैं तो प्यारी लक्ष्मी जिगारो नजर उतारो आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे
Amazingly sung, Goransh. Roshni Acharya is the next performer. All the very best, Roshni.
보기 위해 먼 길을 건너와 나요 든 길인 걸 알면서도 그저 걸어줘 I fly for you 눈 감아도 보이지 않던 내 맘에 네게 다가와 Because I love you boy 내 곁으로 다가와요 Because I need you boy Because I love you, boy. Sarang hai o. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Sarang hai o. Hmm, hmm.
Wow. I just got to know from Shinjini she was singing a Korean song. It was amazing. So the next performance is of Shivam Sachdeva.
सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी हैं तू जो मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम हो आसमां मिला ज़मीं को यूं ही आधे आधे पूरे हैं हम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम ना सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना ना सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम.
So the next performance is of Tarun. Sorry, Adhar. Next performance is of Adhar.
रोम रोम तेरा नाम पुकारे एक हुए दिन रैन हमारे हमसे ही हम छिन गए हैं जब से देखे नैन तिहारे हो तेरी काली अखियों से जिंद मेरी जागे धड़कन से तेज दौड़ूं सपनों से आगे जहाँ लुट जाए ये जहाँ छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं ना ही चैन करूं सजदा तेरा सजदा दिन रैन करूं.
Amazing performance, Adhar. The next performer is Tarun. Tarun. I guess there is some issue. Okay.
नाल नाल तुरना ते वित रखना हथ रख लेना विच दिल रखना छावे छावे पावे असी तेरी परछावे तुरना ओद जी मैं ते ओए मेरे जा मेरे वर्गा ओद जी मैं ते ओए मेरे जा मेरे वर्गा हीर हीर ना को अड़ियो मैं ते साहिबा होई घोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए घोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए ओ मैनू ले जाए मेरे मिर्जा कोई, ले जाए मिर्जा कोई, ले जाए मिर्जा कोई, हीर हीर ना कोड़ियो मैं ते साहिबा होई, घोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए.
Wow, what an amazing voice. Okay, so the next performer is Harsh Prajapati. All the very best, Harsh.
सांझड़ा मेरे राह ये क्या कर दिया, तेरे दरिए मैं बैठा था मैं, फिर क्यों जुदा कर दिया, तेरी यादों से मैं पूछता हूँ तूने ये क्या कर दिया, तेरी यादों से मैं पूछता हूँ तूने ये क्या कर दिया, वफा की थी ना मैंने क्यों बेवफा कर दिया, सांझड़ा मेरे रांझड़ा तूने ये क्या कर दिया, तेरे दरिए मैं बैठा था मैं, फिर क्यों जुदा कर दिया, फिर क्यों जुदा कर दिया, फिर क्यों जुदा कर दिया.
Amazing performance, Harsh. So our next performer is Prabhat. Okay. Is there any issue?
I'm so sorry, Jaskiya. There is this technical issue. We are looking into it.
Okay. There is no voice.
Let's move on to the next participant if there's a problem with the video of this one.
Yeah, sure.
Yashika, is it about the file or?
Actually, there is a problem with the format. We are looking into it. We can, I guess, till that time, we can
Let's play the next file. Yes,
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
So the next participant is Savya Sachi Parashar.
और आहिस्ता कीजिए बातें, धड़कने कोई सुन रहा होगा, और आहिस्ता कीजिए बातें, धड़कने कोई सुन रहा होगा, लफ्ज गिरने न पाए होठों से, कान रखे हैं ये दरो दीवार, रात सुन लेंगे और आहिस्ता कीजिए बातें।
Okay, so if the technical issue is done, then let's move on to the next performer. Or if there's still issue, may I ask Bala ma'am if she's here? Bala ma'am or Brisa? Yeah. Hello, ma'am. So I would like to, Professor Dr. Susmita Bala, Dean DMA Media School, to say a few words on the event.
Yes, Miss Kirat, बहुत अच्छा इवेंट हो रहा है और पार्टिसिपेंट्स इतने ही हैं और हैं अभी
एक और बच्चे जिसका टेक्निकल इशू है वो लास्ट है।
अच्छा, तो काफी अच्छा रहा और प्रतीक को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और आशीर्वाद। प्रतीक यहाँ आए हैं एज अ जज और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख के सुन के, परफॉर्मेंस इतनी अच्छी थी। स्टूडेंट भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोगों को और थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है, बट अदरवाइज काफी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस है। तो प्रतीक के लिए काफी एफर्ट्स है कि वो बिल्कुल जहाँ पार्टिसिपेंट ज्यादा होते हैं और बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मर्स होते हैं तो वहाँ पे जजमेंट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। बिल्कुल, तो काफी स्टूडेंट ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, म्यूजिक, साउंड एंड अदरवाइज वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन एंड ऑल, तो काफी कुछ है। तो बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू प्रतीक एंड ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट जो भी यहाँ पे हैं। लेकिन इसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये होता है कि आप हारे या जीते उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि बेस्ट जो होगा उसको फर्स्ट या सेकंड प्राइज मिलेगा, अवार्ड मिलेगा। बट अदरवाइज आप कोशिश जारी रखिए और इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि हमेशा हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहिए, परफॉर्मेंस करते रहिए। यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए।
I just wish to say something.
Yes.
Well, the competition is, I swear, very close, and the criteria that I have to judge you on, basically in music you just have to see three things that I personally see is: one, how the vocal texture is; second, are you in the rhythm or in the little bit of so; third, the feel is delivered or not. All right. So even if you feel that you deserve to win, I am sure that you are right. But if there's somebody who thinks that they should be the winner and they're not, it's not their fault, it's probably mine, because according to me, I find the other person better. But that's purely because of my ears. If you think you're the best, you're probably the best. So don't take this win or lose personally. So that's all I want to say. This shouldn't demotivate you for anything, I swear, because I'm a listener, right? So something that I may like, the other person might not. Since I am the judge, I am unfortunate to choose somebody out of you.
Not all unfortunate. Obviously, judges final authority to say anything.
Yeah, ma'am, true. But I really just feel there are a lot of people who must think that they are probably the winner, and they probably are according to them and for a few other people as well. So if you lose, just don't take it personally. There's a long way, there's a long road ahead. This is not the end of the line, and probably you must learn something from here and go forward. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So if the issue is resolved, let's move on to our last but not the least performer, Prabhat.
Yeah, just Kirat, I'll just play.
Okay.
कट के तुझसे गिरे तेरी छत पे जाके है मांझा तेरा
So before we move forward, I would like Sanchita ma'am if she wants to say a few words.
सबने कह ही दिया है, and thank you so much Prateek for coming, and it's lovely to see you after so long time. And absolutely right, it is if you think that you are winner, then of course you are winner, and of course some, you know, it's the day, lucky day also, if
Probably
that
yes,
day is lucky or not for you.
Yeah.
And of course it's all the year play.
Yeah.
What you can hear, of course, every participant was good. You know, कुछ लोगों के वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन बहुत अच्छे थे, कुछ लोगों का जो पिच है, थ्रो है, वो बहुत अच्छा था, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट द म्यूजिक, जो गिटार वो बजा रहे थे, वो बहुत अच्छा था. चॉइस ऑफ सॉन्ग, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक दैट इज द मोस्ट क्रूशियल पार्ट. जो मैं जब प्रतीक यहाँ पे थे और हमारे साथ वो गाते थे बैठ के, तो हम उसको समझाते थे कि प्रतीक, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू चूज द राइट सॉन्ग, should go with the theme. So I think and it's been a long journey for Prateek as well, and I'm sure जितने भी और participants हैं, चाहे DME के हो या बाहर कॉलेज के हो, हम सब यही चाहते हैं कि हम बाद में भी जुड़े, आगे भी आप लोगों से मिले, आपके गाने हम सुने, YouTube में सुने, या आप हमें भेजो, नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर आके पार्टिसिपेट करो. You know, it's all about networking, connections that we can build in this particular fest. So thank you everyone for participating, and Prateek sir for joining today.
No, ma'am, what are you saying? Ma'am, there's one more thing. I think the choice of the song was also, how I judged the choice of the song was, if the choice of the song the person took matches his or her vocal texture.
Right.
So if somebody takes a song which doesn't suit their vocal texture, I think that's a big letdown. So there has to be like, the one has to look into themselves and see if the song was particularly suited for their voice or not, and probably you only give your best if the song suits your voice.
Jaskirat, over to you.
So thank you so much, ma'am. So before we move forward, there's something I would like to share with you all. So it gives me immense pleasure to announce that one second. Okay. So it gives me immense pleasure that to announce that DME Media School is organizing a second edition of Cineast International Film Festival of India, CIFI 2020, from 16 to 19 December. The theme of the mega event is Cinema and the Impact of COVID-19. COVID-19 has been a great disrupt and has impacted the production, distribution, and consumption aspects of filmmaking. The impact is such that we will organize this event in a hybrid mode. Let's have a glimpse of CIFI 2020.
Welcome to CIFI 2020. This is the second edition of this International Film Festival, that is Cineasta International Film Festival.
In the past, it's been a wonderful event.
And we at Deakin University are pleased to partner with Delhi Metropolitan Education, DME, the institute that is spearheading this exciting film festival.
Last year in April, we organized this. and this time we are organizing it in a completely different era, that is the impact of the COVID-19.
I'm sure that this year as well, despite the very obvious problems surrounding the COVID pandemic,
that is how we have decided the theme of this year festival as cinema and the impact of COVID-19.
It's going to be a very exciting festival this year because of the circumstances of the pandemic. We're moving some of it online, and that's created all sorts of new possibilities.
Our plan is to showcase films from Australia and organize specialist panels on films and filmmaking, and help create a network of film professionals and students.
And this collaboration will also be this time something new, wherein the teachers and the students will also be collaborating. So we will be getting a lot of films of the student filmmakers from Australia.
It's an absolute pleasure to be involved with the Cineast International Film Festival of India. I am so looking forward to seeing what this year's program holds.
There will be many panel discussions wherein the experts from both the countries will participate, and we call upon everybody to come and join by submitting their films in the independent filmmaker category, in the student filmmaker category, and be part of this SIFI 2020.
And I can tell you it's going to be a great event with persons, personalities, films, documentaries from across the length and breadth of the globe.
we'll be able to hold a very successful event. It's been done in a hybrid mode this time and has a wonderful theme surrounding cinema and COVID itself.
We're going to be able to be much more involved from here in Melbourne in the festival, and that's going to be really exciting.
In this festival of cinema, there will be lots of learning through masterclass, curate session, workshops, and lots of fun.
Just wanted to say I'm really looking forward to the Cineast International Film Festival of India, and can't wait to see the films and be a part of it.
We are looking forward to be a part of SIFI 2020.
So I look forward to the participation of a lot of people.
And we'll look forward to seeing you when the festival's on later in the year.
Don't miss to be part of SIFI 2020.
All the best and see you at the festival.
I invite you all to SIFI 2020.
So finally the time has come, and now I would like to invite Mr. Prateek sir to share his words and kindly announce the results.
All right. Thanks, Kiran. Thank you, teachers, jury, and everybody. So let me, I have to be really, first of all, as I've told this to you before, the winners here are not the winners of this, it's not a very big thing to be a winner here, but it's a big thing. It boosts your morale or anything. But one should really take care of the fact that the winners are solely according to how I perceive music, all right, how I perceive music. So if you think you're the winner, I'll also mention the honorable mentions who were really close to the final two. And why I chose the final two was, second is Gauransh. Because first, Gauransh has a beautiful voice. He has a lot of bass in his tone. And he chose, I guess, Rajasthani folk, which was apt, and you know, with bigger compositions come bigger responsibility. और उसने निभाया राजस्थानी folk को अच्छे से, और उसके vocals ने उसको support किया. So his choice of song was absolutely on point. And the first one, Vishal Sharma. Now why he's the winner is because the song that he chose is probably doesn't have a lot of variations classically or semi-classically, but the song suited his voice perfectly, and he was able to deliver the emotion of the song. And for me, that's most important. And the bass in his voice and the balance was everything on point. Even when he was singing the higher notes, the song really has a higher note, but as high as it gets, it was really clean. So that's why Vishal is the winner. The honorable mentions who were really close to winning was first Chavi, second was Gauransh, third Tarun, and Savya Sanchi. These people, they did an amazing job. Their song was absolutely, but only things those could have gone right was first, either the choice of the song could have been better, or probably the reach, the throw of the vocals could have been better. And since it's online, you really can't judge a lot, but Gauransh and Vishal Sharma, they stood out. So kudos to them, and to all the participants. It's all take off from here, so don't take this very light-heartedly. and don't fly if you win.
So thank you, sir. Vishal and Guransh. Vishal is the first one and Guransh is the second one. Congratulations, Vishal and Guransh. So Vishal will get a 500 cash prize and Guransh will get a 250 cash prize. Okay. So I would like to thank all the contestants who participated.
You can call Vishal and Guransh.
Okay. Yeah. Vishal and Guransh, if you want to say something. Maybe not.
Probably they're not prepared. We should give them a few seconds.
If he is not prepared
Okay. So let's proceed. So I would like to thank all the contestants for participating so enthusiastically and making this event memorable with us. So next is there Ambrish sir present here.
Vishal is
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Pratik sir.
Hi, Vishal. How are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I can't see
you. Thank you so much, sir, for selecting me as a winner. Actually, it's my first time I performed in front of, like, not directly, but I've just uploaded my video. But still, it was my first time.
for everybody, bro.
We're really very happy that I got this chance to perform in front.
Sorry to interrupt. Please turn on your camera.
Okay. Yes, sir. Am I visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I just want to thank you, all of you. And still, I'm really very nervous right now.
It's
okay. All right.
Really nice, Vishal. You chose the right song and your voice is very nice, so you should work.
Thank you so much. Means a lot, sir.
Likewise.
Okay, so before formally concluding, okay, so we have come towards the end of the competition. I hope you all enjoyed very much. And before formally concluding the event, I would like to share the social media handles of Delhi Metropolitan Education. Connect with us on Facebook and Instagram at DME Noida, YouTube at DME TV. Also, don't forget to follow the Facebook and Instagram pages of Vritika at vritika.dme. Now, I would like to invite Sachin sir, our faculty coordinator, who helped us so much, and to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. As the event has reached its conclusion, I would like this opportunity to thank everyone who made this competition possible. I want to thank the student team who are behind Vritika 2020 singing competition, who have worked day and night to make this competition a success and so that it can run seamlessly. I hope managing and organizing this event was a learning experience for you. I want to thank all the performers who accepted our invitation and joined us in this celebration. I want to thank all my fellow faculty members who have supported us at all times with energy, insights, effort. Without your support, this event would not have been possible. I'm grateful to the creative team who have made the competition a success with their wonderful and comprehensive creative posters, videos, promotional material, without which the competition would not have been a success. I extend my gratitude to the management of Delhi Metropolitan Education for enabling us to perform all our endeavors regardless of the difficulties and obstacles faced. I want to thank Pratik Walia sir for joining us today and giving his time to us, and to say that we are all proud that he was a student of DME, and we hope that he reaches further heights, and we also hope he will keep coming to our competitions and he will keep inspiring our students. Lastly, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Ambrish Saxena, Dean DME Media School, and Dr. Sushmita Bala, HOD DME Media School, to not only for the ideation of Vritika 2020, but for inspiring us, guiding us, and pioneering a path towards innovation and creativity, which has always led us on. Thank you, everyone.
Team Vritika.
Thank you.
Embraced digital paradigm shift by adopting technology-based learning.
Unlike other colleges, we adopted a two-step strategy. In step 1, teachers would be preparing the videos, students would be watching them. In step 2, the student would be coming to the tutorial, clarifying the doubts, making the presentations and discuss with the teacher.
At DME, we have invested in the best in the class academic ERP, which allows us to have a 360-degree robust communication amongst all the stakeholders, students and faculty members.
DME's virtual learning mechanism is no less than real-time classroom teaching,
wherein the students are provided the pool of e-learning resources in the form of PPTs, video lectures and online classes in a very student-friendly environment.
There is no need of mental blocks. Online teaching is as effective and interesting as offline teaching. Let the students enjoy this new mode of education.
In DME, we believe in quality education. We take care of our students. We want to see them happy.
Mental and emotional health are one of the most challenging issues of present times. DME Mentoring Cell takes care of that. Not just this, we go beyond academic curriculum to instill the most important employability skills in our students.